What does clairvoyant mean? Clairvoyant is a word used to describe a person who claims to have the ability to see or know things that are not visible to normal senses. In simple words, a clairvoyant is someone who believes they can see the future or gain information through special mental powers. The word clairvoyant comes from French and means clear seeing. A clairvoyant may claim to predict future events, see hidden information, or receive visions about people or situations. Clairvoyant is often related to psychic abilities. A clairvoyant is usually considered a type of psychic who specifically has the power of seeing visions. For example, she visited a clairvoyant to ask about her future. The movie features a clairvoyant who sees upcoming disasters. Clairvoyant can be used as a noun or an adjective. As a noun, she is a clairvoyant. As an adjective, he made a clairvoyant prediction. There is no scientific proof that clairvoyant abilities truly exist. Many scientists consider clairvoyance to be based on belief rather than evidence. Clairvoyant is often used in spiritual practices, fortune-telling, and supernatural stories. In simple terms, clairvoyant means a person who claims to see or know things beyond normal human ability. Easy way to remember. Clairvoyant means clear seeing beyond normal vision.